Just take the coins. Just take the coins, Rihanna. Take the coins. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brianna. Every time, it never fails. As y'all know, the Fenty Beach Please collection just dropped, just came out. Everybody's pretty hyped up about it. I wasn't hyped up about it in the first place, but somehow now I'm here with my money in Rihanna's account. Like, how did I even get to this point? I didn't even want to buy anything. I wasn't excited for this release. Like, I'm just being honest, I was not excited. I didn't think it was anything that I needed, but y'all already know what happened. Like, all those promotional ads that they had on Instagram, like, ugh, do y'all have to keep doing us like that? If I don't want it, like, don't keep popping up on my timeline. Like, let me ignore the collection. Let me not see it, because this is what happens to me. I'll be like, girl, no, you're gonna save your coins. You're not gonna go and buy anything. You're gonna do the right thing and stack the cash. But next thing I know, Trend Mood has a post coming out talking about all these kilowatt foils. Rihanna's doing tutorials now. Like, Rihanna, you knew what you were doing. Like, you knew that if you did a tutorial, I was gonna buy it. And here we are with half of the collection. Way to go, Rihanna. You did great. I'm gonna give you guys an overview of the collection, my thoughts about it, if it's worth it, if it's like exactly what I thought it was gonna be. And you know how all of her products are. They sell out right away. So if you don't get your hands on it immediately, it's probably gonna be gone. And nobody ever even got answers if she was gonna restock the Body Lava. I went to the store this morning and it was not there. Rihanna, you knew everybody wanted that back, so I'm gonna start with the products that I was the most excited about, and that was the 2 kilowatt foils. I purchased the shades Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Show you guys what that looks like. That is this right here. I just wasn't really that excited about this one because I have the Becca blushes. I have 2 Becca blushes that look just like this, and I'm gonna show you guys because I didn't really feel like I needed it, but then I saw it in the store and I was like, okay, let me get it. These are Becca blushes, and the orange is definitely not similar. This orange is definitely, I'm gonna say that it's unique to my collection, so all right, I can't even say that they're a dupe. It's not. But in my head, before I got the product, I thought it was. And then this pink one, which I thought was gonna be really similar, but turns out that that's not similar either because this one leans more purple. I guess it was not a waste of money because I don't have anything like this in my collection. When I got to the store, I was more excited for the Sangria Sunset and the Mimosa Sunrise. But when I finally looked at all the products and I got to touch it, this one hands down is my favorite. I think I'm gonna get the most use out of this one because this color right here, this minted mojito, I mean, like, it's beautiful. And then this color Sandcastle is a really nice, like, champagne-y highlight, so you can definitely get away with wearing this on your cheeks like I did today. I was surprised that I like this one the most. I'm actually super surprised. The next thing that I purchased was the 2-in-1 liquid shimmer. I didn't even know about these, honestly. It comes with the shade Mamacita and the shade Teeny Keeny. These kind of remind me of the Stila Shimmering Glows. The color in this is so pretty, but it was a little chunky. Like, you can even see on my eye, it was a little chunky. The shimmers, they weren't very smooth, but I also don't have any experience using these, so maybe it was a user error. I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. I'm gonna play around with this a little bit more, but I really do like the shade of this one. This color I could have done without. I would have preferred if this was just a single and that was a single, and then the other 2 colors that they had I didn't really like because it was a dark brown and I think the one that she wore in her video, but I didn't really like those, so I didn't get them. And then the last thing that I got was the lip bundle. This is the Summer Days Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trio. I chose this color because I felt like these were more realistic colors that I would actually wear. I'm wearing the 3rd shade, this purple shade right now. The texture is very smooth. You can't feel any glitter on your lips. It reminds me of the collection, her Galaxy collection lip glosses that she had out. So they're very similar. I can't tell what the difference between this and that other collection is because they're both metallic, frosty lip glosses. I'm gonna swatch these on my forearm and show you guys exactly what the colors look like. This one is Mimosa Sunset. pretty. I'm sorry, Mimosa Sunrise, and this is Sangria Sunset. Is that right? Yeah. Sangria Sunset, Mimosa Sunrise. It's so confusing. Sunset, sunrise. Ugh. This color, Mimosa Sunrise, comes off a little bit more yellow on my skin tone as opposed to orange, and it's some gold reflex going on in there. And this one here is just a nice standard like fuchsia purplish color. The next one that I'm gonna swatch is my favorite. This is Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. I love these. And this one feels so smooth. I mean, they feel good. I can't lie. They feel great. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And then that one. I just love this champagne color. I thought this was gonna be a silver, and that's why I wasn't interested in it before when I was like looking at the promotion pictures. But now that I see it in person, it's so pretty. The next set of swatches are gonna be for the 2-in-1 liquid eye shimmers. The first shade I'm gonna show you guys is called Mamacita. And it's just a nice, like, you know, like a rosy pink with some gold. It's more of a shimmer, doesn't have glitter in it. This is not really giving me life. This color right here though, in Teeny Keeny. The product on this one is a little bit chunky. But look at that color. This color is everything. There's so many different dimensions in this color. From the side, it looks bluish purple to me, but then like my mirror is sitting over here and I can see greenish gold. I would recommend this eye product just for this side. I wish she would have done this just like a single by itself, but because I'm not really that interested in this pink one. It's not doing it for me. But this one right here, life, love it. Oh, and I'm sure you guys are gonna want lip gloss swatches as well. I'm gonna show you guys the swatches on the back of my hand. This one is in the shade Single. Yeah, I'm single. Okay, that's the shade Single. The next shade that I have is Bilingual. And I'm not bilingual, I'm not. This one seems to have the least color payoff. And then the last shade, which is the one that I have on my lips right now, Ready to Mingle. I like the names of these. And that's such a pretty purple. These are all the shades. They're so pretty. I mean, like, they're very reflective. The orange one is definitely, it has the least amount of color payoff to me. It's not that impressive, but the blue one would look really nice over some kind of lipstick, like a purple lipstick, and this purple one is fine on its own. This product to me is the most worth it out of the entire collection. I would highly suggest everyone run out and get this one because I feel like it flatters everybody. Dark skin tones, pale skin tones, this is really, really pretty. And I like the fact that you can use them for different things. And then the second thing that I would recommend is the Teeny Keeny. I'm gonna have to get used to this formula and understand how to sheer it out a little bit more on my eyes, but I love this color. Price-wise, this collection, I felt like the prices were a little steep. I feel like the prices are creeping up slowly but surely for Fenty Beauty, which, you know, okay. The Summer Days Trio for the lip products was $32, and I think that's actually a very fair price for 3 lip glosses. That's fair. The Killawatt duos though, bruh, they were $36 each, so I felt like she could have kept that one at $32. $36 is creeping up there to me. The eyeshadow shimmers were $26, so the collection as a whole, I wouldn't have bought the whole collection, clearly, because I didn't buy the whole collection. There are certain pieces from the collection that I think are like amazing, and there's some other pieces from the collection I'm like, okay, I could do without it. But what I do appreciate from Fenty is the fact that they're bringing so many different colors. They're bringing us options. Like, people in the makeup community have been asking for something different, something new, and she's giving that to us. And I feel like we should take advantage of this option that we have with her brand. I fully support Rihanna's brand. I love it. I've said it like a million times. I love Fenty. That doesn't mean that every single product that she makes is gonna work for me. And it's just the truth. I love the brand, but every single thing that she makes is not gonna be for me. And that's just with any makeup brand that you like. You don't have to buy every single thing. Those are the products that I got, and now I have a tutorial coming up to show you guys how I achieved this look. And I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and you guys will like, comment, and subscribe. Come back and see me again.